So you can pick any preset value you want.
Yes.
Hit enter.
Enter the finished size. Step down.
Okay, go back to the main screen, Tom. Okay, the main screen is going to have your digital readout, your live readout. It's going to have the ability for you to enter in a rapid, a feed, and a slow by pushing the jog key up or down. The number of spark outs, passes, will let you set, once you reach size, that the machine will go back from the front limit setting to the back limit setting that many passes. When everything is complete, the green light comes up. You've got preset, retract, machine, and start buttons across the bottom. Just holding in the rapid key up, or the jog up and the jog down. Then you can set that. One unique feature will be the rapid up to a preset point, where you can set a retract point. So you don't have to retract more than 30 or 40 thousandths off the top of your rough stock. So you only have to jog the machine up when you're completely done with it and you want to dress the wheel or start something else. Between each part, you will just retract to the retract dimension. Okay.